Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not joining game easy and quick. First click here and type task manager, and after that open it. And now once you're here, you have to click on memory to see all the application that is taking your memories and make sure there is no application taking memory from Roblox. So just close all the applications that you know what they do and they don't need them while you're playing Roblox, like Google Chrome, Task, Steam, Task, and all the applications here that you don't need. And after that, just close it and go ahead and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, click here and type apps and features. And now, just wait, click here and type Roblox. Click on Roblox, uninstall it, and after that, go back. Go to run, up data, type here up data and click OK, and then go to local. Now scroll down and look for Roblox, and when you find it, just right click on it and delete it. After that, just go ahead and download it again and install it again, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.